Creating a safe school reopening plan is a great responsibility. For one thing, you have to remember that asymptomatic children can transmit COVID-19, so merely asking sick students to stay at home will not work by itself. You also have to help children safely distance from friends they've missed, and it is hard to break old habits and practice distancing all the time. What if some students get close to others and there is a COVID surge in your school? Who should be notified? Plus, there's the challenge of disinfecting the school appropriately. A lot can go wrong if someone forgets to properly clean an infected room. As a result, creating a school reopening plan now is full of issues and requires knowledge in many areas in which we were never trained in. Fortunately, there's a better way. Introducing BeAiware, an IT company which facilitates safety and productivity in schools through innovative solutions by caring people, so you can relax knowing you've left your COVID-19 dilemmas to the experts. With BeAiware, we'll provide your school an efficient and simple proximity alert solution, reminding students and teachers to keep physical distancing throughout the day. And we'll provide a fast way to track those who have been close to someone who got infected with COVID-19, so you can avoid a few cases spiraling out of control. And because we'll provide you alerts on areas where your cleaning crew spent less time than they should, you can be assured that the process in place covers what you need to reopen your school safely. But perhaps the best thing of all is that as parents, we care for safety in our schools, just as you do. To learn how BeAiware can help your school reopening plan, please contact us today by visiting beaiware.com.